Let's create an escape room game on Microsoft PowerPoint. Open up PowerPoint. Create a quick menu by adding 2 rounded rectangles and typing Play. Add a new slide. Click the Insert tab. Click Pictures, then Online Pictures. Search for a perfect basement image you will use as a background for your game. Add arrows that indicate where the user wants to go. Make sure to use the same basement picture for every slide you create, or you can take various pictures of basements around your area, but not the same one. Create the gameplay. Click one of the arrows, then click the link icon and select Place in this document. Click the slide where you want it to go. Add details on the other slide that you made the arrow hyperlink to. Make another arrow that faces the opposite way of the other in the previous slide, then hyperlink it to the previous one. Try adding a puzzle or riddle. Draw up a rectangle that looks like a door, then add shapes to the door. Then select the door and then the doorknob, then press Ctrl+G. This will group the whole thing. Selected. Create another shape that covers the group doorknob. Make a key. Group the key after you've made it. Then put it somewhere in the slide. Select the doorknob that covers the group doorknob. Then go to the Animations tab. Add the effect, and it appears. Click the Timing tab. Click Triggers, Start Effect on Click of. Choose the group of the key. Then add another effect for the doorknob to disappear. Make a 1-item inventory box. Make a rectangle. Then copy and paste the group key, fitting it just right in the rectangle. Select the group key in the inventory box. Add effects, appear, timing, triggers on the click of the group key on the ground. Then do the same, but this time, disappear. Make more slides. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.